Do you want to send automated WhatsApp messages for your form submissions? This is Erica. Today, let's push your task notifications to WhatsApp. In just 3 simple steps, we'll connect Jodoo to WhatsApp using Zapier. So whenever a new lead comes in, it pops up right on your phone, and you'll get all the details instantly. Let's jump right in. Head to your Zapier account and click to create a Zap. The first step is to set up the Zap, so it starts whenever there's a new task for you in Jodoo. For our trigger app, let's select Jodoo. And, under the trigger event, choose New Task. To connect your Jodoo account, you will need an API key. Go back to Jodoo, navigate to the Open platform, and under API key, grab your key. Back in Zapier, paste the API key to verify your account. Click Continue. And then you'll need to verify your username. Again, go back to Jodoo, go to Contacts, click to check your account details, and copy your user number. Paste that into Zapier as well. Let's continue. Now, click Test Trigger, and Zapier will fetch some existing tasks from Jodoo. Select one to use as a sample for mapping your fields later on. Next, let's move on to the second step. We'll add an action to pull in the task details. Choose Jodoo again. But this time, select Find Record as the action event, and continue. Find our sample app and contact form from the list. Then, for the data ID, choose the instance ID we got from the first step. Click Continue to test, and make sure everything's connected properly. Now it's time to send the notifications to WhatsApp. Add another action, and select WhatsApp. For the action event, choose Send Message. To verify your WhatsApp account, enter your WhatsApp phone number. Click to send a PIN, and you'll receive a verification code on your WhatsApp. Enter that code back in Zapier to connect your account. Next, choose a message template. Let's go with the new lead template. You'll see placeholders in the template. You can enter a slash and your sample field value to map each one to the corresponding fields from Jodoo. For example, map the lead's name, email, phone number, and any other details you want to include. Don't forget to include the URL from the first step as the link to lead info. This way, you can tap the link in your WhatsApp message to view more details about the lead directly in Jodoo. Once done, continue to test the step. Now, check your WhatsApp. You should see a new message with all the lead details. If everything looks good, go ahead to publish your Zap. That's it! You've just set up automatic task notifications to your WhatsApp. I hope this was helpful. If you have questions or anything of that nature, leave me a comment or join our community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.